News this morning. Homeowners in Baltimore County may have been sent incorrect property tax bills. The Office of Budget and Finance in the county says some of them contain system-generated errors, so people who live in the county being asked to disregard those bills that they get. The corrected versions will be sent now with revised information. Officials say that process could take up to 4 weeks. The county is going to extend its discount for homeowners who usually pay their bills early in July. They'll extend that through till August.